Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to day 16. Today for math, we're going to be comparing fractions. So you're going to be using benchmark numbers or benchmark fractions. Benchmark fractions would be like a fourth, half, one. And what you're going to do is you're going to compare. So which benchmark is between 8/6 and 4/6? 8/6 is an improper fraction. I know that because the numerator is more than the denominator. And I'm comparing that with a proper fraction. So I know that 4/6 is more than half because 3/6 would be half. So it has to be one that is in between the two. Okay, so that's how you would work through that task. Next one, comparing fractions using benchmarks. So compare each fraction to the benchmark. Is 2/8 equal to or less than half? So it is less than half because half would be 4/8. Is 2/3 more or less than half? Well, 2/3, 1.5 would be half of 3, so this one is greater. This one I put the wrong symbol on, it should be less. So now if I compare these two, 2/8 is less than half, 2/3 is greater than half. That means 2/3 is greater than 2/8. Okay? So that's how I'd like you guys to work through those today. And if you'd like, you could also cross multiply to check these, but you're going to still have to go through the comparing to the benchmark. Okay, book discussion at 10 a.m. We're going to talk about the Reed-Works passage for today. At 11, the math talk, we're going to be discussing decomposing fractions. For reading, you have another informational fiction text similar to what we did yesterday. That's what we will be discussing today. We'll also go over yesterday's assignments. And then you still have the other fun learning activities that you can continue to do. Starting on Friday, things are going to change a little bit. The district has asked us to post 4 assignments per week, have them posted on Friday. So I'm going to change up the classroom, and it's going to say task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. You'll see that probably later today. And then I'll also have some ongoing learning that you guys continue with. Okay? More information about that to come. So have a great day.